So to initiate a conversation, I'm going to send an invite on to my second account so that we can start chatting. So in order to do that, first of all, I'm going to go to new conversation right here, or I can go to messages and then you go on the same place over here as well. So I'm going to type in the email address of the other person. So I'm just going to type in TutorTube channel. So just like that, you can see that as I already have TutorTube 2 channel on my contact, it shows up right here. So I'm just going to click on this, and what happens is that I have an invite right over here. So this is the default message that will be sent, that is, let's chat on Hangouts, let's talk. I'm going to add that in as well, and I'm going to hit send invite. So once I do that, the invitation is sent, and what the other user will see is this, as you can see right here. It says TutorTube channel, my first account has sent a chat request, so I'll have to accept that out in order to start chatting. So if I were to click on this right here, now you can see that it says let's chat on Hangouts, let's talk. So I have an option whether to ignore or accept this. So if I were to ignore this, what happens is that I can report or block this out, as you can see. So I can report this contact or block this contact out, or I can accept this out right here, just like this. So once I accept, you can see that the chat has been initiated and we can start talking just like that. And that is how you can initiate a conversation, invite people, and accept or reject the invite with the other account. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.